Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to completely disable comments in WordPress, a simple yet super effective way to keep your website clean and free from unwanted spam. Whether you're running a blog, business site, or portfolio, this guide will make sure you have full control over your comment section. And don't worry, it only takes about 5 minutes. So let's dive in. Log into WordPress. The first step is to access your WordPress dashboard. Open your web browser and go to wordpress.com or your self-hosted site's URL. Enter your credentials and log in. Pro tip, you can use the Continue with Google option for a seamless login experience. It's fast and convenient. Navigate to your pages. Once you're in your dashboard, head over to the Pages section in the sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing pages. This is where you can manage and customize them individually. Use Quick Edit now. Hover over the page you want to disable comments on. You'll see a few options appear underneath the page title. Click on Quick Edit. This opens a compact menu that lets you make changes without loading the full page editor. Disable comments. In the Quick Edit menu, look for the checkbox labeled Allow Comments. Simply uncheck this box. This step is crucial. It ensures that no one can leave comments on that page moving forward. Save changes. Finally, don't forget to click the Update button to save your changes. If you skip this step, your modifications won't take effect. And that's it. Your page is now comment-free. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've taken full control of your WordPress comments. No spam, no unwanted messages, just a clean, professional site. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a WordPress tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.